Good morning mga Timbo Vlogs. Welcome sa isa na namang video bus vlog. Araw na to, June 19, 2024, 7:14 ng umaga. Gagamitin natin bus ngayon ay si bus number 5747 registration plate number PGC 944, which will expire on May 19, 2025. Oh good, okay, let's engage muna yung school signs. Matik na yan. Adjusters, all good. 7. Karamihan ng basa ay dito ang tama. Wonder why that's happening. Adjusters are all good. All good. Power up for change. So that's the cut. And let's engage this school sign because we're doing a school run. Yun. Yung mga tama-tama na yun is natural na lang yan dito sa NC bus. Adjusters are all good. All good. This one. Okay. Ay, buti naman dito ngayon at malinis tong bus na to. Mukhang sinipag yung tagawalis. So that's all for our video bus vlog. Paalam.